So, if you're not already aware, we provide technical support with our manuals. A common question we get, and we just recently got again, was related to screw and lock nut valve adjustments and the tools you need to do that with. So we thought we'd shoot a quick video and just go over that. So the tools required, well, you can use a lot of different stuff, but to make it easier, these are specific tappet adjustment tools. They usually come in these three sizes of 8, 9, and 10 millimeter. They'll either have a square hole or a flat tip, kind of like a flat blade screwdriver. So to use these, you would follow the steps in your manual, get to top dead center, get the correct feeler gauge inserted in the correct area, and check for that light drag. If you don't have it, if it's too tight or it's too loose, that's when you need to adjust the valves. The unique part about these tools is the tappet adjuster and the lock nut wrench are separate. That way, when you're tightening the lock nut down, you don't alter your valve spec you just set. So, put your tool on, loosen your lock nut, remove your tool, turn the adjuster in or out to obtain that light drag. Get your lock nut seated, put your lock nut wrench back on, reinsert this tool, hold the tappet still, the tappet adjuster, and torque down the lock nut. Turn your engine over a full 360 degrees when you're done, reinsert the feeler gauge, double check that you got that nice light drag, and then put your parts back on, and that part of your service is done. If you have any additional questions or ideas that you want us to shoot a video on, let us know in the comments. We'll try to shoot you a video. You can contact us through the website or leave us a comment or check us out on Facebook.